I heard your pleas, guys, and today's the day I'm gonna show you guys how to make lumpia.
My God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down! No!
Traditionally, you would use ground pork for your lumpia, but we're in a healthier age, and I know a lot of people don't eat pork. A lot of people don't like pork. So I have some ground chicken right here. And then my secret with any type of like filling, dumpling, spring roll, or anything that's ground meat, I like to add some shrimp to it. And I like to take the shrimp and I like to dice it until it becomes like a ground paste. If you don't like shrimp, trust me, you don't taste it. It's really just the secret of keeping your lean meat moist, bouncy, and a good texture to it, because if you haven't had like dried chicken before, you're blessed. An onion. We're gonna use some carrots, and these are just like weird carrots. I got these from the Asian market, and my God, either they are genetically modified or they're totally not, and they're just horrifically organic and ugly. Onions. And yes, different flavor profiles, guys. That yes, they have like the oniony flavor, but this one adds the green color to it. About 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, so we have our ground chicken in here. And then for the carrots, it's important to peel your carrots, guys. And then the grater is going to be your best friend. We're gonna grate these carrots. We really want them, I mean, if you can dice and slice them, but they have to be super, super fine. And with that, you now that you have all your ingredients in your bowl, use God's best tools to mix this up, shall we? All mixed in, it's time to consider what you're gonna season this mixture with. Now, traditionally, we just do it with a little bit of soy sauce, salt, and pepper. But lately, I've been adding, this is called a sweet cooking rice wine, AGLvlogs or mirin. It's basically just a sweet cooking wine, and it really enhances certain flavors of it. And I really like using this, as well as Maggi seasoning. And this is liquid MSG. I know. Shut the mouth. I'm sorry. There's MSG in almost everything you eat, guys. There's no running from it. And a way to figure out if your seasoning's right, if you have to add more soy sauce, pepper, more certain vegetables, or more shrimp, you could take a little ball of the meat mixture and then take a frying pan and fry it up and taste the meat, and you could taste if it's properly seasoned. In this case, I kind of know how much to add, and you know, I just pour the whole thing in. No. Now you want to let this rest for about 30 minutes to an hour to let all the flavors marinate and get to know each other.
Sibuyas, kape, tubig. Sobrang gutom na ako. Kailangan kong mag-exercise. Ang saang pagkain? Chanela. Sasaktan ko kayo sa aking chanela.
So wrapping the lumpia is really what makes lumpia lumpia. But what kind of wrappers do you use? Don't use egg roll wrappers, and I really cringe when people say lumpia is like the Chinese egg, it's like the Filipino egg roll. That's not true because we don't use egg roll wrapper. That's why it's a thicker, yellower consistency. Basically, lumpia is a spring roll which uses spring roll wrappers. Learn something new every day, guys. And you could find this in the freezer section of your Asian grocery mart. I think regular grocery stores are starting to sell spring roll wrappers as well. It's literally, it doesn't matter what brand you use. We honestly use all the brands. Doesn't matter, it's whichever is cheapest, honestly. If you're frying the lumpia the same day, it's important to leave this out so it thaws. So let me show you. So this is it. Spring roll wrappers, and then you're gonna see, I don't know if you could see it. I don't know if you could see all the layers in here. But let me peel one off. So go see. It's very important you let this thaw, guys, because this would be very difficult if you didn't. And then we're going to pull it. And this is one wrapper, and you can see how like paper thin. It's very pliable. Very smooth, and yeah. Now that it's time, we're gonna get our meat mixture. You're gonna need a plastic bag. It's okay, I'll show you why. You're gonna get a plastic bag, and we're going to pipe the mixture rather than scooping it. So, meat in your meat piping bag, and it's ready to go. Diagonally, you could do it horizontally and vertically. A lot of people like doing it vertically, and you roll it up like a burrito. Some people actually like cutting this in half and just using one wrapper. We're gonna do it, let me just show you. All rolled, and if you see, I like rolling them like this. Roll it however you want. These are the ones that I made, and now we are going to deep fry. While that's frying, now normally you dip your lumpia in this sweet chili sauce posted right here. But if you want to try a different soy sauce, sambal, vinegar, and in this case I'm using Filipino vinegar. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you like food like this. Or well, just me. I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Bye.